4 a.m., a couple showers were producing water spouts near the Indiana dunes and near Gary.
Awesome!
These showers that were producing water spouts are moving south at 15 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots
Dude,
or
that's
greater.
amazing.
Source, marine weather spotter. Impact, water spouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The shower will remain over mainly open waters. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.